Open it. I'm taking a movie.
I thought you were taking a picture.
No, I'm taking a movie.
There.
Let Papa help
No,
you.
it's a toy.
What is it?
It's a...
All right, it's a guitar. Ooh, let me see it. You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you get one, Josiah? Maybe that's a guitar, Josiah. Open that one. Open it. It's probably a guitar too.
I think so. Okay.
He wants to do it.
It is a toy because I see the polite.
It's another guitar?
I think so. Yes.
Oh, it is a guitar. Josiah got a guitar too. Santa Claus got you a guitar also?
It got trees on it.
All right.
I can
You
open.
need help, Grandma. Open it.
You want me to help you, Saya?
Here,
Okay.
Grandpa do it.
Papa's gonna help you.
Hard, huh? There you go. Now, there it is.
All right. Now you can play with your uncle, huh? Yes. All right. Let's see what else you have there. What else?
From?
Well, I don't know. Open it. Let me see. Open this one. This one.
Okay.
Let's see what it is.
It's a Mario costume. I knew
You
it was.
said you were going to get it, huh?
Yeah, I wanted this. I've been wanting this.
Oh, you want it? Okay, you try it on in a little while. Open more gifts. Let's open more
I think
gifts.
now there comes
What is that?
this underwear.
Underwear. Yes, more underwear.
Yeah, I wonder this one is.
What is that?
Ooh, it's Saya. And what's this?
That's for Josiah. Look at Josiah.
Saya. I've been wanting this.
You have one more, Jaden, over there.
Thing.
That one. What is it?
It's the same thing. And there's a book.
So you can read it.
Yeah.
But look at your pajama set. What does it say? Let me see. Look at it. It says, what Santa does not bring me, Grandma will.
What did you think we're the mustache? Yeah, but it's gonna be tricky to put on the mustache.
You think so?
I think so. And you see Mario?
It works. Yeah, it is working.
It's gonna be funny. I got the Weezy one that's here, but maybe Santa Claus don't know the Weezy.
Well, Santa Claus was good to you, huh?
Yeah.
And you know what Santa Claus told me?
What?
He's bringing one outfit for Josiah, Luigi.
I know.
But it's not here. We're going to have to wait.
That's right.
Okay, say thank you, Santa Claus.
What's this?
It's a hat.
Oh, it's a mustache.
Oh, there it is. I think okay, you have to open it. Apple.
Yes.
I've got the mustache, and here's the hat. Ooh, it got M on it.
For Mario, yeah.
Let me see. Look at Josiah. Look at Jaden.
Open it.
Yeah, but here, put the hat on. Grandma wanted to take a picture. Hold on, let me hear it. Let me open the mustache.
Josiah, look at Jaden.
That, what's this? My Mario.
He's silly, huh?
Yeah.
Where's the mustache?
It's right here, but we can't open it.
What's this?
It sticks on your face
Oh.
with glue.
You?
Yeah.
Hey. Alex, this is your favorite juice.
It's got glue on it.
Oh. That's you.
Grandpa, you have to get scissors
Yeah.
because it's
A
too
big
hard.
cheese.
This is a movie, Shady. You're in the movies. Shut up. Go like this. Okay, we'll wait for the mustache, okay?